Welcome to 5 Minute Set Reviews, everyone. I'm Matt. Normally on my channel right now, I'll be reviewing a small company pre-workout. Well, today, gonna get a little bit bigger in the company. Maybe a lot bigger. Why and who? Because I want to, and it's USP Labs Jacked. Notice how I said Jacked, Jack3d, not Jack3d or anything along those lines. It's Jacked. All right, got that out of the way. The boys over Alpha Fitness Supplements hooked me up with 3 samples. Thank you boys very much. Their links are in the description. And one thing, Stim Junkies, take a look at their website. They got some goody pre-workouts I've been noticing, but maybe down the road I'll review some of them. So thumbs up for my boys at Alpha Fitness Supplements. Alright, gonna go over supplement facts like we always do. Gonna give Rocket Pop, which man, I always love Rocket Pop, flavor rating. And I'm gonna run this for a few days and let you know if this newer version of Jacked, Jack3d, is close to the original or better than the one that was out a year or 2 ago. Okay, supplement facts over here today. Alright, one packet's 11.1 grams. And yes, we know it's a prop blend. The OG's been a prop blend. The middle one's been, if that's even them, a prop blend. This one's a prop blend. It is what it is. Alright, 8.29 grams for the prop blend, which is 2 servings. There's 2 servings in this packet. On the tub, you can go from 1 to 3. The thing with that, I think it's 45 servings per tub. If you do 3 servings, which is a lot, you're going to get 15 servings out of there. So cost effectiveness, it's up to you. Okay, so since I don't know how much or what size ingredients in here, I'm just going to list off a few which is in here. You have AAKG coming at the top. You have creatine monohydrate in there as well, beta-alanine, caffeine, DMHA. You have geranium extract, which the stems and the leaves hopefully give me that DMA-like feeling and so forth. You have your hemby extract in here as well. So, and caffeine, 270 milligrams. I'm pretty sure it's 135 milligrams per scoop. So 1 is 135, 270, and 405 if I can ever get figured out to do the 3 scoops. So, all right, let's get to it. It's Rocket Pop. All right, so I got 6 servings. There's 2 in here. I don't want to do 3. You know what? Hold on. 2 in here, 2 in here, and then 2 in that bottom one. Instead of doing 2 3 times, let's do 4 scoops for the first time. Yeah.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
There's no way.
Hope when the water rises.
Alright, YouTube Nation. Yes way, they're getting jacked. Do work. USP Labs and their flavoring system, always on point. 4.5 scoopers out of 5. That Rocket Pop is on point. Alright, YouTube Nation, I'm going to let you know how 4 scoops of Jacked handles and me. Then I'll take the final 2 scoops probably tomorrow or a couple days later, just give that a break, and I'll be back with my final performance. Before I give my final rating on Jack, just want to give a public service announcement to all the guys out there. Don't take Jack on Valentine's Day or date nights. I'll leave it at that. Alright, 2 scoops. Great energy, great focus. I was concentrated on my workout. Had plenty of energy to last throughout my whole workout and after. 2 scoops is going to be majority of people's sweet spot. I really enjoyed 2 scoops. 3, I think that'll be even better, but like I said earlier, cost effectiveness, it is what it is, so do that sparingly. Now let's get to the 4 scoops. Man, if you want to work out 5 or 6 hours and be focused and dialed in, take the 4 scoops. Do not do it every day or once a week. Oh, maybe once every 10 days or so, but that 4 scoops that first time, holy cow. Dialed in, tons of focus, elevated heart rate, had the sweats, wanted to keep working out and keep going and going. I loved it, but again, at very special occasions, in my public service announcement earlier, definitely played a part in that. So 2 scoops, sweet spot. 3 will probably be even better with that. And then 4, man, awesome. Overall, it's going to get a 4.75 out of 5. I really enjoyed this. Even at that 2 scoop, I think it's a great pre-workout, and you're still going to get a decent amount of servings. Alright, YouTube Nation, now you know what time it is. If you found this review helpful, beneficial, try and get jacked in the gym, the best way, hit that like button. While you're down here, hit the subscribe button. Come along for the 5 minute set review ride.